car duck down. We're going to go feature racing.
Not so bad on the price or not so bad on the drive?
Both.
Okay. Just wanted to clarify that because you said not so bad.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, get these motors wound up. They're all in Hondas. As they're picking up speed, and they come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's the 17 of Jessica Talley out front. Here comes the truck. The truck's back to life. Holy cow, look at the truck go.
Matt Rose on that 98 truck. In the third spot, trying to work his way up there. Jessica Talley in that 17, that 17-year-old. Early pace, early lead.
And here comes the Renegade, looking for third place as the 101 Brandon Vines is looking on the inside of Smith. Maybe. Nope, yellow flag. We had a spin out between turn 1 and 2. The 21 car of Ryan Mader. Oh, the hood's off.
Ryan Mader had problems early on, continuing to have them out of Appleton, Wisconsin. 24-year-old.
I'd like to have the donuts with the iced mocha lattes and all that great stuff. What do you think? As the pace car ducks down, we're going back to single file racing. As Ryan Mader, one of our rookies, is off the track, and we're going to pick up pace. So they come. Green flag, and we're back to racing for the Super Cups.
And we're back to Jessica Talley in that 17. The 17-year-old setting the pace early.
And the truck challenging for second.
Matt Rose. Got to watch out for the number 4 of Ryan Maldega.
We've got a battle in the back between the Orange Crush getting around the number 2 of Del Schuler. Here comes David Russell.
And that's 6, yeah.
Starting to show signs of life from way in the back of the pack.
He's gaining more and more confidence the more and more he drives that car since it's his first night in it.
And he bought the car for his daughter to race, but he wanted to make sure that it's going to be good to go. I don't know if his daughter will ever get to race the car if he does good in here tonight, Eric.
Yeah, I agree to that. He's one of those drivers that you just, once you're driving, you're driving. Nice move by Russell as he got a little squirrely in two. And a good job by the number 2 of Dale Schuler, the 13-year-old out of Grafton, Wisconsin. Make sure that those two didn't have any contact. 13-year-old with that smarts up.
I wonder if David's daughter's yelling at him, Dad, don't wreck my car.
First thing I would say, that is my car, Dad. That is my 6 car.
She's going to make Dad do all the work after the races tonight, I think. Because we got a battle back there between the 01 and the 97. The 97 of Sean Shooter-Urich and the 01 of Mike Rose as Urich pulls away from Rose. And here comes the other Rose looking to the inside of that 4 car. Now he's back to the outside.
Definitely pick up speed on the turns, these cars, compared to all other race cars that we've seen here at the Rockford Speedway. Most cars usually slow down going into turns. It seems like these Super Cups are picking up the juice.
And the 29 of Ron McNally is off the pace in that 29 car there on the inside, going down the backstretch. As we are almost at the halfway point with the 17 of Jessica Talley leading us around as she's pulling away from the field. The battle looks between the 4 and the 98. Here comes Ellis on the inside of the Renegade. Ellis and the Renegade battling it off. Orange Crush is coming up on Ellis. He's working on the Renegade. Whoa, look out in turn 4. Renegade gets cut out there on that one. Orange Crush grabs the spot. Here comes David Russell. He sneaks on the inside. He grabs it from the Renegade. As David Russell is looking to the inside of the Orange Crush car.
Talley's coming up on lap traffic. The 25 of Carter Weiss. She'll get around that car, no problem. 13 laps are in. It's a battle for second between the number 4 car of Bodega and Ross, that is, in the 98, that truck. Those two have been battling it left and right. And then there's the mix and match for fourth as David Russell Jr. in that 6 car is working his way up there, trying to catch up to the 31. Mick Ellis in that 31. Bodega and Ross still in the battle. 15 in the book. Tally just about a quarter of a lap ahead of them all. David Russell Jr. in that 6 car has worked his way up to that 4th spot. Matt Ross in the truck trying to hold off. Bodega in that yellow 4. Bodega, Ross, and Russell Jr. as Tally in that 17 continues to lap traffic with no problem, as Russell Jr. is going to make a move on the 98 car of Matt Ross and will get him in the turn 2. And his next eyes will be on the 4 car of Brian Bodega. We'll see if he can catch the number 2 car, as Jessica Tally is almost a half a lap ahead of the 2nd place car. Brian Bodega trying to hold on. Russell Jr. and Matt Ross in that 98 car with a nice little battle going on. The white flag is out with 1 to go. Your winner on the American Supercuts is going to be the 17 car, the 17-year-old of Jessica Tally. Number 4 car will finish in 2nd, Brian Bodega. David Russell Jr. in that 6 car will finish 3rd. Matt Ross in the truck will finish in 4th. And rounding off your top 5, the 31 car of Mick Ellis.
Wow. Guess how old she is? 17. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm Rockford Speedway welcome to the driver of the 17 car. It is. It's hot in there. Hang on. Please welcome Jessica Tally. All right. Come on over here, Jessica. You get your interview with us at the Rockford Speedway. Did you have fun or what?
Yes, I had a lot of fun.
Were you nervous at all at any point of the race?
Just around lap traffic.
Lap traffic.
Yeah.
Do you have any sponsors you'd like to thank?
I'd like to thank all the series sponsors, and then Ken Jones, because he does a lot for the car, and Mike Rose, he does my body for me. So.
That's the 98's brother, the 01. Is this your first time coming to the Rockford Speedway?
No, I've been coming here since I was 2.
So she's been in the stands with us, folks. Is this your first time ever winning at the Rockford Speedway?
No, this is my 3rd time.
3-time winner at the Speedway. Once again, let's give it up to Jessica Tally.